Libby, tell me about the last time you got burned.
A few years back, I was getting ready for a special occasion and I was curling my hair. And then I set the curling iron down on my leg instead of the table.
Ow.
Yeah, it wasn't very fun.
So if you find yourself in a similar situation as Libby, hopefully you don't mistake a leg for a table. We have a burn salve recipe that's going to help those kinds of burns heal faster and soothe them. You'll need a tablespoon of beeswax, a quarter cup of fractionated coconut oil, 20 drops of lavender essential oil, and you'll need 40 drops of Bumps and Boo Boos essential oil blend. To start, we're going to melt the beeswax with the coconut oil, and we'll go from there.
Okay.
So now we've got a double boiler ready, which is just a smaller pan sitting in a larger pan of water. And this just helps us melt things more gently. If you can do this in the microwave with short intervals, this just gives us more control over it. All right, so let's add the beeswax.
Okay.
So you need a tablespoon of that, and that's gonna get us to a good consistency. It also creates a protective layer over the skin. And then we'll add the fractionated coconut oil. You can use other carrier oils in this. Another recipe on our blog and from this month's recipe box is a calendula infused oil, and you can use that in place of fractionated coconut oil in this recipe. Is your favorite movie Pitch Perfect?
I do like those movies.
Those movies are super fun.
Yeah. I also love The Greatest Showman. Just
I do
like
too.
the storyline.
This is the greatest show.
We light it up. I just listen to that song on the way here.
Now that it is melted, we're gonna have to work quickly because you can see it's already starting to solidify on the side. And add 20 drops of lavender essential oil and 40 drops of Bumps and Boo Boos blend.
Okay.
All right, now that we have that, we'll stir it for 30 seconds, and I got our little container ready. All right, once you have this, you're gonna let it cool. This tin, if you're using a tin, be careful because it'll get hot with the oil. So we'll let it cool and then it's ready to use. And don't forget to label it. When it's all cooled, it'll look like this. And you can put some on your fingers.
So it's pretty solid.
Yes, it's solid, but it melts on the touch and is spreadable.
Thanks, Katie.
Keep that in your back pocket.
I will.
Thanks for watching. I'm Katie. I'm an aromatherapist for Simply Earth.
I'm Libby.
And we love making our homes toxin-free with essential oils and bringing you confidence and clarity on how to use them. So for more recipes like this, go to simplyearth.com and check out our box.
There's also our awesome blogs and recipes and article page that you can check out for tons of other recipes that you can make from home.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. I would have had that when I burned myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.